The WWF have found that an average of 73% of wildlife populations have declined since 1970. This is not just an environmental concern, it's actually an economic concern that risks, so much of how we live. These are very dependent on humans going out into the field. It's slow, it's expensive, but it's also actually incredibly subjective. Every living organism will shed DNA into its environment, through its skin cells, saliva, anything else that it leaves behind. You've just taken a bottle of water out of a river. It takes a fraction of the time, a fraction of the cost. From that litre of river water, we will then be able to map back each of those traces of DNA back to the fish, the amphibians, the mammals, the insects, etc., that they started from. We wanted to make sure that the sample collection process was simple enough for a 5-year-old to do. So we tested it on a 5-year-old. She got excellent results. We hit 10% of the planet surveyed using environmental DNA. So a huge amount of our work has been spent with the conservation sector, but we also work with industries that are trying to minimize the negative impact that they're having through their activities. So, for example, mining. But more recently, in the last 10 to 2 years, we've seen a huge amount of interest from agricultural supply chains. Having someone like the Earthshot Prize, where they have done the due diligence, they've done the work, and being able to say, we're supported by them, they trust our technology, let's get it out there, it really opens a lot of doors. The conversation is not, what is your technology? Does it actually work? How does it work? And much more, what can we achieve together? What does the data inform? How might the data change the way that we are operating? We want nature to be on balance sheet. We want organizations and companies to be actually valuing the impact they're having on nature. That is the goal. We're looking to give nature a spot in the boardroom.